be wondering why I'm sitting in my shower slash bathtub today. Well, I am here because I want to show you guys how to make a super awesome daily shower cleaning spray. This stuff does wonders for my laziness because it means I never have to clean my shower again. It is the best stuff in the world. All you have to do is spray it after you take a shower and your shower stays sparkly clean. So why don't we get started and I'll show you guys how to make this. To start this project off, you'll need an old spray bottle. I used one from my daily shower spray that I used up. And you just want to screw off the top and set the little sprayer thing aside. Then you're going to want to grab a funnel so it's easier to pour the next ingredients inside. You'll want some white distilled vinegar. You'll want 2 cups of that and you'll just pour that into the bottle. Then I grabbed some Mrs. Meyer's dish soap. You can use Dawn or anything like that. I just love Mrs. Meyer's because it's all natural. This was pine scent. I got it during Christmas and I love the smell of this. You'll need 2 teaspoons of this dish soap and just pour that into the bottle. Then grab some tea tree oil and put in 20 drops of tea tree oil. The tea tree oil helps clean the shower and keeps things smelling fresh. Then you want to choose your essential oils for the smell that you want. For this one, I made it eucalyptus mint, and I put in 15 drops of eucalyptus and then 15 drops of mint. My mint bottle doesn't have the little top on it, so I kind of just guessed. So make it to your own specifications and what smell you like. After you put that in, screw the top back on and then shake everything together. There'll be kind of a foamy top. That'll settle after a little while after it's all mixed. Spray the spray on the walls of your shower or on the inside of your bathtub after you've taken a shower or bath when the walls are still wet, and this will help to clean your shower and keep soap scum at bay. That way you don't have to go back and clean it anymore. So awesome! My favorite thing about the shower cleaning spray is how good it smells. It smells amazing! I love that it keeps my shower clean while keeping my bathroom nice and fresh. So the question I have for you guys is, what essential oil would you use in your shower cleaning spray? Are you gonna go more earthy like I did, or are you gonna go more floral or more homey with a vanilla smell? Let me know down in the comments below. I would love to know your guys' mixes. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this. I'll see you guys later. Bye!